Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another vlog for you guys on how I achieved this beautiful chunky twist. If you want to know how I did it, keep on watching and enjoy. Do subscribe if you haven't. So this is how my hair look like. As you can see, my hair is already shampooed, deep conditioner. I also stretched my hair with the African threading. If you want to know how I stretch my hair, I already had a video on that, on how to stretch your hair with the African threading. I will leave the video in the card area. I will also leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are welcome, but please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn your notification bell because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. I do appreciate you guys and welcome back. So I grabbed few strands of my hair, I braided my roots, then afterward I started twisting it, but very loosened twist to achieve the chunky loosened twist. Okay, so when you get to the end, you will twist it a bit tighter, but this is how I did mine. You don't have to do yours like that if you don't want to, but I did mine like that because my ends are the weakest part of my hair, and my ends are very fragile than the rest of my hair, so I did it like that. And now I will go ahead to grab another strand and repeat the same with my hair, as you can see. So the product I use in this hair vlog, I will leave it so you guys can see, is a black horned brand. She's Nigerian. She lives in the UK. I will also leave our Instagram if you want to check our Instagram account, and if you live in the UK, you can also purchase our product. Is very good. I use the Shebe hair butter and the hair butter. It is so nice, guys. It is so nice and very moisturizing, and I will do a review on that, but that will be in my next video to show you guys. I do purchase few products. I purchased the body cream, the hair butter, and lip balm. They are very good. I will do the review so you guys can see it, just in case you want to give a try to this product. So guys, yeah, this is how I achieved my shocking loosen twist. Please watch this video to the end. Do support me in this journey because we are in this together, right? Yeah, we are together. So also share my video with your friends and family. Leave your comment down below. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you can get a notifications anytime I upload a video. And guys, please do watch it to the end because this really helped me to improve, you know. So I'm gonna leave it with you guys. Keep on watching. If there is anything I missed, I didn't explain, please just leave it in the comment section. And if you want to ask me anything, go ahead to ask. I will be delighted to reply, to give you any encouragement or any advice you want. So don't be shy, feel free, and we are in this together, as I said before. By the way, I trim my ends because my ends there was a lot of knocks because I do a lot of wash and goes, and expose my hair, the ends of my hair. I think my hair does not like that, so I trimmed my hair again, but this time it was a little bit, not much like the one I did the last time. I will also leave the video in the card so you can check how to trim for kinky hair, so you can also check it out if you are interested. So guys, this is how it looked like. So you see, I hope you really enjoy watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, don't forget to do that. Okay guys, bye. I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.